Hello everyone, welcome back to the next lecture on the ergonomics and the aesthetic consideration. So let us start with the lecture. So what we are going to cover today, ergonomics consideration in the design of control, design and display control, types of displays. These are the topics which we will be dealing in the today's lecture. So first topic is ergonomic consideration in design of control. Okay, so what are the consideration we have to take when you go for the design of control? Now how the control should be? The control should be easily accessible and logically positioned. The control operation should be involve the minimum motion and avoid the awkward movements. This is what the first consideration we have to consider for the ergonomic consideration. Next, the shape of the control component which comes in the contact with the hands should be conformity with the anatomy of human hand. It should not be a very large or it should not be very small. That you have to take into the account. Proper color produces the beneficial psychological effect. The control should be painted in the red color with the gray background of machine tool to call for the attention. Okay, that is proper color coding it should have for the recognition. Next, we move to the next topic, that is the design of display control. Now, displays are the device through which the man receives the information from the machine. Okay, that is display unit. It's any kind of display unit. That is CRO are there, correct? Your dials are there, correct? These are the display units. So, display are those, of course, device through which you receive the information. Whatever you perform, it will be displayed on the display unit. That is the output device basically. The display in one which allows the proper combination of the speed, accuracy, sensitivity and of display. So this is what the design of display control unit. I will next see the types of display. There are two types of displays basically. We'll move to the next slide. That is the qualitative display and the quantitative display. In the qualitative display, it displays the signal the display or signal is used to indicate only condition of the state without giving the value are known as the qualitative display. Means will not be getting the any output, in the sense value you are not getting. For example, switching on and off of a fan. Okay, so you are not getting any value from there, correct? Or for example, your signals, red traffic signal, red, yellow, green. Okay, so they are changed accordingly, of course, after some seconds. It's not they are giving any values and all, correct? So these are the types of the first type of display where we are not getting the any values. That's what I told, on and off response or close value, power on off of signals. Next, that is the qualitative display. In quantitative display, what happens, it's exactly opposite. Here you are going to get the value. For example, your watch, dial indicator, fuel indicators, correct? You can read the fuel indicators, correct? Or speedometer. So these all are the quantitative displays. Thank you.